Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the D3D compiler _47.dll is missing error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This error usually appears when you try to open a program or game and Windows displays a message saying the program can't start because D3D compiler _47.dll is missing from your computer. In many cases, this problem appears while launching applications such as Adobe Photoshop, AutoCAD, or some PC games that rely on Microsoft DirectX components. The D3D compiler _47.dll file is part of the Microsoft DirectX runtime package. If DirectX components are missing, outdated, or corrupted on your computer, Windows may display this error and the application may fail to start. Fortunately, fixing this problem is very simple. First, open your favorite website and then navigate to this one link that you can find in this one video description. After that, scroll down a bit, select your language and then click on the download button. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow on-screen instructions to install DirectX on your computer. You need to accept this one agreement. After this, click on the next button, then uncheck the install the Bing bar option, then click on the next button. This will install DirectX on your Windows PC. Once installation is finished, restart your computer to apply the changes. Now try opening the program again. In most cases, the D3D compiler _47.dll missing error should be fixed and the application should start working normally. If the problem still continues, you can also try reinstalling the program that was showing the error or running the system file checker tool using the command sfc scan now in the command prompt. For that, press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and then type here cmd, then click on the OK button. Here you need to type sfc space scan now scan now, then press enter on the keyboard. In case it shows you are not running as administrator, you have not logged in as administrator, click on the start button, then type cmd in the command prompt, right click and select here run as administrator and try running the same command again. It will not show any error. sfc space slash scan now and then press enter. It may take a few minutes depending on the speed of your PC. Once this one part is completed, again restart your computer. That's it. One of these methods should help you fix the D3D compiler _47.dll missing error in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to GearUpWindows.